So let's say you want to invert your logo, but just on one page on Squarespace. I'm going to show you how to do it really quickly on any page on your site now. So here we've got a black logo. It's a little bit blended into the background. It's quite a dark blue, and so it's getting lost. Ideally, we want to make this white. So all we need to do is go into Pages. We're going to find the page that we want to add to. In this case, we've only got Home. So click the cog, Advanced, and then in the page header code injection area, we're going to add style tags in here. And then in between, we're going to say header, image. And then inside our squiggly brackets, we're going to put filter, invert, and then 1. If I hit save, you'll now see our black logo is white. So what I'll do now is I'll go and I'll just add a blank page, right? So let's go here, imagine it's a white background. You can see we're now keeping that black logo in place. We switch back to the home page, the white logo is in place. So if you, let's say you make a new page and we add a page with a dark background. So let's make this background, we'll just add this in. And then we'll just make it black. I'll make it blue. There we go. And you can see again, that black gets lost. So we just need to lift the code from here. So we'll grab it, copy, and then in this page, we'll go back into the advanced, paste it over, and there we go. If we check on mobile, you can see same thing here. Obviously, it looks terrible in terms of setup, but you can see when we zoom in, it's been inverted. So hopefully you found that useful. If you did, please make sure to leave a like and hit subscribe. And if you want me to build your Squarespace website, you can get in touch using the links in the description.